How to convert audio format in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on the convert tool. Select the audio file you want to convert by importing it from your device storage. Once the file is loaded, you will see options for different audio formats such as MP3, WAV, AAC, FLAC, M4A, OGG, and more. Choose the desired output format and adjust settings if needed, such as bitrate, sample rate, and channels. You can also preview the audio before converting to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, tap the Save button to start the conversion. The converted audio file will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, sharing, or use in any project. Now you know how to convert audio formats in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.